In this video, I will show you the speed of BSNL Bharat Fiber broadband. I am currently using the 599 plan. It is available in all circles in India. It gives 60 megabits per second speed with a monthly data usage of 3300 GB. Post this data usage, speed will be reduced to 2 megabits per second. Let's start with the speed test. As you can see, the speed easily crossed 60 megabits per second, and most of the time you will get speed more than that. Upload speed comes around 70 megabits per second. I will perform the speed test multiple times so you can calculate the average speed. Now I will show you the speed while downloading torrent file of about 2.6 GB. It only takes around 11 minutes to completely download 2.6 GB file. If you are looking for a good fiber connection, BSNL 599 plan offers best value for money as it gives very good speed as well as unlimited data. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you guys in the next one.